In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on Tradovate. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to trader.tradovate.com and then you want to sign into your account. As you can see right now, I'm on my demo account to show you how this is actually done. So in here, the first thing I would recommend is you actually open up your order book. So the way you do this is click on the top left, add modules, and then here it says orders, drag and drop it on your screen, release it, and here you're going to see your currently opened up orders, okay? I'm going to close this because I do have it already down here, as you can see. And then from here to actually trade futures, you have like two options or more, and it's actually very simple. The first thing you can do is you can click on this plus button, pull on a chart, so just drag and drop it anywhere over here, and then you're gonna have to select your future contract. So let's do a GCV5 for this instance. Click on that. I'm gonna use the previous settings and close this one. And then there we go. I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. And as you can see, I can set my quantities over here and I can just buy market, buy bid, or sell ask right over here by clicking like that and then clicking buy or sell again. So that's the first way, but if you want it to be kind of a bit more advanced, click on this button up top where it says trading, select your instrument. So I'm going to do GCV5, there we go. And you can then go ahead and set the buy or sell order, set the quantity, set the order type over here, and then the flags and the release, and then you can just go ahead and click on send or reset it and do it again. Of course, the advanced options are also over here, so you can set different take profits and stop losses, etc. Okay, so that's how you can actually trade futures very easily. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.